Hi there, this is Nilson Lima, and I'm here today to show the progress on Cloudscape Seasons update 1.5. And there's quite a lot of things we are tweaking to bring to you guys a great experience that this update is going to be. And if you guys take a look at these clouds here, you can like see what they're talking about details. And believe it or not, this cloud here, this cumulus, is one of the clouds releasing for with the release 1.0 that we have revisited the material code, and we are just showcasing this because see, right now we are like with full coverage. Then like we can bring this down so you guys can see how tiny is the details we are getting with this material. So first things first, instead of showing just this beauty, I want to introduce you some things we are just finishing, because we have now, as you guys can see, a lot of data tables that you see right now in front of the Cloudscape Seasons. We have like sets of parameters that you can like change a lot of parameters that you have previously stored from your own experiments, just with a single drop of these combos. So whatever you have the custom set here, you can change any parameter in the Cloudscape Seasons, and you can like store these. You can give a name. So like for optimization types, you can see that we have let's just me find it. Optimization. So this is the optimizations. You can create other sets if you want to. We have 4 sets. So maximum performance and quality, maximum quality. Exactly as you can see in the NVIDIA drivers, for an instance. And you can have tables either based off, let me check here for you, optimization params. So grouped it all the parameters that care about performance in one place. So this structure is supported by and it started like here. So we have pre-made quite a lot of stuff already, so we can like test optimizations, use it in several releases you get. So if you are not sure why one cloud you have just modeled is not performing well, you can save it here, and you can place by those combos, and here as you guys can see, once you selected this and you select a material set, so I want the material set for the first release. Let me take a look at the first release, or release 1.2, or other stuff that we have stored because we'd like to not lose that information. So material sets is about the same. Material sets are all the materials you set. You can have them set at once for you once you choose. So bring in here, and these are combined also with the optimization, so this goes well. And visual set, you can have and create sets for visualization, like how much shadow it is the extinction color or the overall color, the one I want to use at day, at sunset, at night, or whatever is the other reason you can think of. So visual sets, they are just like this. You can create more, and just to show you here, so you can set the curves, use it by that one, the cloud density, so you can quickly have all these things set. They are combined with each other. Cloud layers, these are the settings that you see right down here, so you can have that information that you can change just with, like, okay, give me cloud layer 1 a cumulus during day, or a stratocumulus during day, or a stratocumulus during night, or whatever. You can create any set here and start those in the data table, and it will give to you that look at that layer. Or you just can disable them. Let disable them custom, it will be like the setting down there, or you can have a pre-recorded one. It gives a bit of time to set this. You are just setting a lot of these things for you guys, and since you guys start to experiment, maybe you have reached a result that make you pleased, and then the problem with the old system is that you have to write it down on a paper or in a file so you can try that thing later. With this, you just fill out a data table, give a name for it, and you just with one click you can compare your results. This is quite powerful. Say, and the wind layers is the same. You can give like directions, and you can store these directions as well. And our blueprints for wind, now they have an arrow pointing where the wind is blowing up. Give us the directions. You can rotate this, so there is where the sun comes, so there is east. That is the sunset, so that is west. And just a few quality of light improvements. This is how the level is going to be right now. We made a real nice auto layer material for you guys. You can do whatever you want with it, so we just want to make this level a little bit beautiful. With these mountains, we use some height maps to sculpt this terrain. So I just giving you a taste of these clouds here with this level of details, so you guys can be like wow and get excited for the new materials that are coming. For our big, I think I have just, we have a new menu handler, so you can have our menus here, and you can go like and you can see in the left portion from Alt 1 to Alt 0 you can shift to the maps. I'm not going, of course, going to spoil you guys with the upcoming stuff we have, but like Alt 6, you guys are having for free this loading screen system. It will be part of the fact free of charge for whatever have purchased the Cloudscape seasons. And this map, it uses the same material as you'll see in the other level. This is a 324 kilometers large material. We are now with another type of clouds here, and this is not already set, but we use this same map because this map will be the one we will run the tornado. So we will have some stuff down there. Yeah, you see that I am with speed like 10 times faster here. That's why I'm running this. Is not accelerating the video, it's just for you to get and reach faster the places. So in this place here, it will be the player that the tornado you run and do all the damage. You bring some trees here and you like torn the trees and get off leaves. That is a nice fog around as well. So this place here, the tornado, it will be quite large. Our estimates is about 300 meters long on wide. So this is a quite large tornado to see here. Much more about that type of effects when that video I have posted, and this is a little detail about this. These textures are all textures provided by Epic, so it's okay for you guys to use the way they are set here in this material. And we have also at the top menu some improvements, like you can like scalability. Now you just use 1, so you can increase, and you play shift, you can decrement the scalability. So easy as that. You can go to typing 2, so you have scalability details, so you can change different what will be like any of the effects. Type 2 again, it will turn off and keep all the changes. 6 and 7, you can increase and decrease the rays, so you can have all the amount of details you want. We have, like we are presenting here, these textures with 2K, the coverage textures. So shift 0, you decrement, now you can have 1K textures, and you guys can see that is not bad at all. You gain a little bit performance doing so. So I think it's worth you guys to check all the new possibilities we are going to have. That is noise texture details, and you can now set the system for 4K to be exhibited. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can right away see 4K even with a 1080p monitor. Other things like you can, with page up, page down, you can increase the coverage and decrease. 4K textures, much more details. Okay, all of these you guys are seeing will be downloaded directly from the marketplace. It is part of the package, so the packages will be like 13 gigabytes. This is quite big. I don't want to separate this for external download, because this will give the piracy an advantage if I do so. I want people to purchase, I want people to upgrade their systems to use these, and hopefully we are finishing the tweakings a little soon. I will not show more things because I don't want to spoil that. Just be tight that we are going to finish this. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.